Hey y'all, let's get to cooking. Here are the ingredients we'll be using for our vanilla Christmas cookie and our chocolate mint Christmas cookie. You can also find the link to the website where I found these cookie recipes down in the description box. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hey y'all, welcome back to Memaw's house. You see I'm in the kitchen, got my Christmas apron on because I'm going to make some cookies. Now, I have been doing all the Thanksgiving stuff. I've made all the Thanksgiving videos and cooked all the Thanksgiving food that I can cook. So it's time to get in gear for Christmas. And you know, Christmas around here is a big deal for me and the babies, for Peepaw, my daughter, for everybody. We love Christmas. We have a lot of Christmas traditions here at Memaw's house. And I may even take you on one or two of the trips that we go on because we like to do those things for Christmas. Anyway, one of the things that we like to do is to bake cookies and watch a movie, a Christmas movie. We do Christmas movies all December long. And if we get it in our druthers, we might do it in November. Anyway, I digress. We have put up the decorations, and today we're going to make some cookies. Now, these are not just your regular cookies. You know, Memaw got cookie recipes, and every Memaw has some cookie recipes. But I'm trying something new. This is new to this Memaw. I'm going to bake cookies using a cake mix. Now, you know I've done some cake mix things around, some recipes in the recent past, so I'm going to go ahead and try my hand at making some cookies using cake mix. Now, if this works, you know I'm going to be on it with the cake mix cookies. So I wanted to try this for my young mothers, my young subscribers, my older subscribers who might be working and have grandbabies. It can fit for everybody's lifestyle because it is an easy cookie. It looks like it is because it only has 2 or 3, 4 ingredients for each cookie. And you don't have to do all that measuring of flour and sugar and all of that. You can go ahead and use the cake mix and those 2 or 3 other ingredients. So because it's easy, I'm going to give it a try. And I hope that you stay through this whole video so that you can see these 2 types of cookies we're going to make. Because if you have little grand people like I do and you want to spend time with them, you don't want to spend time getting out ingredients. You want to go ahead and get your ingredients, which might be 2 or 3 things, mix up your cookies, and then go enjoy your babies. So let's get to cooking. Okay, y'all, so we have our cookie station set up. We have our stirring up station that Ari's going to be at for the first cookie, which is our Christmas cookie. And then for the second cookie, Peyton is going to do the mint chocolate chip cookie. But in the meanwhile, Peyton's going to be unwrapping candy canes. So she's on that station. Then we'll have one station where we're actually just scooping cookies and putting them on the cookie sheet. Each of these cookie recipes should make 24 cookies, 2 dozen cookies, yes. So we're going to get Ari over here at the stirring up station, and I'm going to man the camera this time. So let's get to cooking. the meanwhile, Peyton is busy working at getting her candy canes peeled. And get your M&Ms. Come on. Not the whole bag, no. Okay, Peyton is getting her. Okay, there it is, crushed. Okay, Aubrey's going to scoop. It's good. Okay, now it's time to put some M&M garnishes on to the cookies. All right, come on, let's get them on. Now we're getting these cookies into a 350-degree oven where they'll bake from 7 to 10 minutes, depending on your oven. Okay, Peyton. Take the bag out. get ready to go put our cookies on the sheet. Always getting the cookie sheets ready over here. They are in a workshop. Let's go to the oven plate. You don't need that to go in the cold oven, baby. Your pan is cold. Open it up. Open it up. Slide it in the middle rack. Thank you. Okay, y'all, so we have had some cookies in the oven. We got some still in the oven. We've pulled out the vanilla M&M Christmas cookies. We've got those out. They're cooling. We're going to taste test them in a little bit, but we're letting the chocolate cookies, the chocolate mint cookies, bake. They all look delicious. But in the meanwhile, I want you to take a look around and look at our Christmas decorations. Okay, my taste testers are both here. The one little one is drinking her milk already. There's the cookies. Ooh, they look delicious.
Hey, let's grab one.
Grab one, Pate.
Ooh. 3, 2, 1. They're nice and soft, sweet, and I like the crunch of the M&M.
Are they cakey or are they like cake or are they like cookies?
No, they taste like cookies. Yeah, they have like a texture of cookies.
Good. Good.
It's really good.
I'm glad. All right, y'all know I'm gonna taste one. Okay, the girls are back with the chocolate mint cookie.
Here we go. This one's better.
That's better?
It's delicious.
Oh,
And
good.
It's crunchy too. It's like a soft, chewy cookie with the mint and chocolate. It's real good.
Good. Let me see the inside of the cookie. Mm-hmm. Okay, I get to taste them now, right? Okay, y'all, it's my turn to taste test. The flavor is real good. This one is a little bit cakier than the chocolate one. Maybe because of the soda, but I like it. And it was easy. Let me try the chocolate. This flavor is real good. Okay, y'all, so our cookies are done, and we're going to go downstairs and watch us a movie, a Christmas movie. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and I hope that you enjoyed our decorations, our antics, and I hope that you use this recipe so that you can make cookies for your family at a whim. They are very good, and I can vouch for them. Y'all be blessed. Bye. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope that you give these recipes a try. I'm going to post a couple other videos here that will get you in the Christmas mood, and we'll get some Christmas baking done in another video. Y'all be blessed.